What's up guys, this is Retro. Today in this video here I'm going to show you guys how to play NES games on your PC. So first thing we're going to do is open up our web browser. We're going to exit off these three bars. We're going to go to MU Paradise. .me. Alright. We gotta go to popular emulators, to the NES emulator. So this one's for Windows, so we're gonna go to Windows. And the best one is the FCEUX. So we're have the download link here. We're just gonna click that. So now it'll download and it'll go into our downloads. So alright, and then this is a WinRAR or a RAR folder. So you're going to need WinRAR, but you can easily Google that and get the download on that. So alright, let's open this up after you have WinRAR here. Just exit off that and then we'll hit extract. We're just going to put it right in the download folder here. Hit OK. Alright, we can exit off all that. Now we have to go to our downloads. So alright, here's the FCEUX folder. And here's our emulator. Let's open this bad boy up. Move this over here. And alright, we can make that full screen for right now. Now in order to set this bad boy up, there are a few different things that you can do to configure it. You can have it run in background. You can have a background input. Auto save states, all that good stuff that you can play around with. You can mess around with the display. You can make a game genie, but that's for a different, for another video. But you can change the directories, so you can have a directory right for the ROMs rather than having to keep opening them. But we're not going to play around with that too much right now. Right now, the only thing we're going to do is go to input. So you'll see if you have a gamepad inputted, a USB one, or you can set it for keypads as well. But where I hit configure right here, then you just click on these. I already have mine set up for the most part for the keyboard, but we're going to clear that out, set it up for the controller. Same thing with each and every one of these. Just clear that and just press the corresponding button on your controller. And one more here. I never use the turbos, I don't really care, but then close that. And then we close this. So now we need to find a ROM. In order to get ROMs, you could just go to Google and type in a game name and then the ROM download. There will be numerous options popping up, so you'll figure that out. But once you have your ROMs, now my ROMs are all in my emulation folder under ROMs and under NES. And here are all my games. So now the only thing left to do is to find a ROM and boot her up. And for this one, we're going to get up Ninja Gaiden. Here we go. So let's exit, and yep, there we go. It's playing, so let's exit off that, and honestly, that's all there is to it. Thank you guys for checking out my video. Hopefully it helps you a little bit. Maybe that'll help you get in some NES games. I know they can be super expensive, so maybe this will get you back into checking out some NES classics online on your PC. Get yourself a little NES GameCube, NES controller to play them with. But anyways, thanks again, guys. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. Maybe subscribe to see more retro game content. I'm planning to do a lot of history videos. Hopefully, having that be the basis for my channel is more of like a gigantic history lesson, but feel free to check me out on Instagram. It's Retro Games Made Easy 91, and I'll see you next time. Peace and out.